Hi, welcome to Shop Rjpasini for great deals on eBay. Today I'm doing a sneak peek video on this jewelry slash cosmetic box that may be suited for you. It's coming up. Check it out. Here we go. I have over here a Caboodles girls makeup kit case here. It comes with 2 keys, as you can see here. It's a leopard skin pattern. Okay, so please note this is not real leopard skin, of course, but it's got that leopard skin pattern. It's got the 2 metal nice locking clasps here. Okay, everything's in pretty good condition. No rips, tears, or damages from what I can see here. It is a Caboodles, as you can see right there, folks. That's there it is. There it is. I'm sorry, guys. Right there. Okay. Here's the bottom of it. This is some kind of this is the label of where it was made in China, of course. All right. Overall, it's pretty clean condition. Okay. I'm going to show you that the locking clasp does work, but first we're going to open it up and show you what it looks like inside. Okay, it's I believe it's a 4-drawer from what I was reading, looking up. It's a 4-drawer. 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course you got the bottom for storage. And I was told too that I've seen some other advertisements in regards to this type of box here. I would think you could also use this as a jewelry box. They say this is a cosmetic. But I believe women could use this as a jewelry box as well. I mean, you got slots so you could put like your long bracelets, or if you got an array of rings or whatever, costume jewelry, real jewelry, you could put it in here. You got a nice big bottom here. You could put some more stuff here. You got a lot of storage, a lot of room in here. Like I said, you got the again with the 4 drawers, and I would believe that this unit or this item here can be used for either or. That's my personal opinion, but. It is considered a cosmetic box, okay? Like I said, but as I also referred to earlier, this could also probably be used as a jewelry box as well. Especially if you're a woman that's got those long necklaces and stuff like that, you could probably place in here, which would be a good thing. I'm going to close it up here, and I'm going to show you that the clasp, the locking mechanisms do work. You got the 2 metal clasps here, locking clasp. Okay. I'm going to do it right now. And like I said, again, you get the 2 keys with it. I'm going to do it right now here. Okay. And you can turn it this way. This is a brief intro video to show you that it does work. When you hear that snap, that means it locks. Okay. And the reason I'm doing this, folks, especially ladies out there, girls, young women, whatever, to show you that it does work. Okay. So you can see they both lock. Okay. And we can open it up again. And same thing. When you hear that snapping sound, that little click, that means you unlocked it. And this is just to let you know, again, this video is to show you that this item does work. Okay, it should just say it does lock. Okay, the overall condition, like I said on there, folks, I'm going to put the keys in here for now. The overall condition is pretty clean. This is pre-owned. Okay, but like I said again, this is what we got going on here. This part sticks out a little here, but otherwise everything is good on it. It's not bad. Very good condition. Like I said again, this will be up on eBay, and it will be going on. But it's going to have the best offer on there, folks. So if you do like this unit or this item here, please don't hesitate to make a best offer on it. Okay? I don't have a price point on it, but when I do, please, best offers are going to be accepted on this here. So I'm going to monitor. It's going to be moderately priced, and like I said again, if you do buy from me, everything is sold with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and you have no need to worry about it. But that's why I want to talk to you really quick about this here. And if you do like this item, please message me with any questions. I'd be more than happy to answer you. Thanks again for stopping by, and I'm going to close out the video. Thank you. Well, that concludes the sneak peek video. I hope it helped out. If you like any of the merchandise I have listed on eBay, please don't hesitate to make best offers. And I offer also, like I said, with the buy it now, when you do purchase any items from me, I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you don't have to worry. The reason why I do these sneak peek videos, and I do demo videos and intro videos, along with the reseller news, is to give you, the potential buyer, a heads up as to what you're getting from me. It's to show you and point out the condition of the item, whether it's got scratches or any defects of any sort. It's to help you and assure you that what you're seeing in my video or even in the photos is what you're actually getting. I like to do these videos to help people out in regards to making you, the potential buyer, again, aware that the item is what you're getting, what you're seeing is what you're getting. So I do appreciate you checking it out. I don't like to make these videos too long, so I just want to say in closing, thank you very much for all the new subscribers to my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you like the video content I put out, please show me your support by subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I have links below if you want to learn a little more about me and about the services I use pertaining to my website software development, software I use, or my hosting. If you're interested in joining my Twitter or Facebook group, I got other links there. So please don't hesitate to check it out. And I just want to say thank you very much. You guys everybody have a great day out there, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks again for stopping by. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.